to enable or disable VoLTE calls on the Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, first we need to open settings. Now over here in settings we need to go to mobile networks, and then in here select the SIM for which you want to enable or disable VoLTE calls. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one. And then as you can see in here we have use VoLTE option, which we can easily disable or enable just by tapping on this switcher. There is also a possibility that you will not have the VoLTE calls option in here or use VoLTE in these settings. So if that's the case, you can open the phone app, switch to the keypad, and then use the following code *## 86583 ###*#. And then once you enter the last asterisk, you will see that you will get this option: VoLTE carrier was disabled. Now, after that, you should be able to go back to settings, and as you can see now we have the option to enable or disable VoLTE calls. Leave a like and subscribe.